got the 100 grit, so we're gonna make this a little bit smoother now. Today I gotta work very quick. The weather is really threatening to come down, so make sure this is all, you want to make sure this right here, the ring, is nice and straight. Right, so I got it as straight as I can. Still seems like it has like a tiny lip here, but I think that's fine. That should work fine. I want to trim this a little bit so that when I try to pour stuff out, it doesn't just loop around. Alright, so you want a little bit of a sharp edge. Okay, that's it. Let's put some oil on this. Alright, I love how it turned out. Thank you for watching, guys. It actually turned out very, very good. I think, honestly, this is probably the best one I've made. I'm very, very happy with the shape. It's very, very smooth here at the bottom. Came out with a great curve here, and it's actually very, very comfortable. As you guys can see, my fingers really tuck in here very, very nicely. So it's very easy for me to just grab on, scoop super easily. So I'm very, very glad how this one turned out. And we're getting better, slowly but surely. Thank you guys for watching.